Alright, well, it's haul out day today. I'm going to pull the boat out for the winter today, put it up on jack stands, power wash the bottom, and kind of figure out my fall projects on the boat. I like coming out. It's first weekend of October. Actually, it's like Monday into October, October 4th, time I'm videotaping this. I always say winter is a good time to save up for next summer. So, but anyway. We're going to haul it out today, put up on jack stands, try to catch some of that on video, bring it around the gas dock. I've already changed the oil. I've already winterized the water system for the plumbing. The hot water tank's drained. I've got most everything emptied out of my refrigerator at this point. I got a few bottles of water in there, a couple beverages, and that's about it. The cabinets are cleaned out for anything that could freeze over the winter, so we're getting there. Coming up, like I said, today's haul out day, and then we're going to winterize the engines. I'm going to finish doing that what you call it, that oh no, I caught. Okay, I'm going to be finishing up that transducer. I had a little blooper there. So I'm going to be finishing up that transducer this week. I'll probably be down on the boat most of the week and doing different projects in the fall. I've gotten to the point where, you know, I used to come out at the end of like October after Halloween, and then I'm trying to do all this stuff and it's freezing cold out. I'm in Michigan. So I've decided to come out at the beginning of October now, and we're still getting into 60, 70 degree weather right now. So it's actually pleasant to be working on the boat, getting some projects done. And when I get ready for the springtime, it's basically take the shrink wrap off, wash it off, maybe wax it. I might even wax it this year before the end of the season. I might just go ahead and wax it when I get it out, and then pull the cover off, spray it down, and I'm good to go, you know. So it'll be in the water. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll do a haul out.
You right to school, baby. And now I wanna follow all her rules. Oh, you know she got me coming back again. Oh, yeah. I lose my mind and phone a friend. I know this is the end. She got me saying, oh my, oh my, my. Wanna see you underneath the city lights, saying, oh my. Hey, That's right. And you know that I ain't sharing. Hey, Marjorie!